In this video, I will show you two ways of turning your images or photos into cartoon using Canva just with your smartphone. So let's dive into the tutorials in details. To actualize this, come to the bottom, then look for apps. This is it, click on it. Then from here, search for Animify. Okay, that is the first way of turning your photo into cartoon. This is it. Then you click on it. Click on open. Then bring this slide down. Bring it down. Okay. This is it. It's either you choose any photo you want to probably turn into cartoon from the files you are having on your phone, on your device, or you pick the picture from the elements we are having in Canva. Therefore, you select the photo. Then the next thing you click on Animify. Watch it and see to how it's going to turn your photo into cartoon. Almost done. This is it. It's done by converting or turning this into cartoon. Look at it. Very beautiful. This is awesome. This is the first way. Then the second way, click on apps again. Then search for cartoon. This is the list. Then you click on Cartoonify. Then click on Cartoonify. Click on open. Then drag this slide. Drag it down. The next thing, click on the second photo, or you choose from the photo you have in on your device. Then you click on Cartoonify. Watch it and see to how it's going to convert it into cartoon. Look at it, very awesome. It has done with the cartoonifying. Therefore, look at the two pictures. They are different cartoons. Look at it. This is how to turn your images into cartoon using Canva. If you have found this video very useful, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up. Share the video with your family and friends. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.